Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure fitness training with Trainerize, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Trainerize for your fitness training, first, download the Trainerize app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create your account by entering your email and desired password. After your account is set up, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and confirm your email address to activate your account. Next, log into the app using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, navigate to the Find a Trainer section to search for a certified fitness coach. Browse through the list of available trainers, paying attention to their specialties and reviews. Select a trainer who fits your fitness goals and click on their profile for more details. If you're ready to work with them, click the Request to Train button. Your trainer will receive your request and may reach out for a quick chat to discuss your goals. Once you are connected, you can begin discussing your fitness objectives and preferences. Your trainer will then create a personalized workout plan tailored to your needs. You can view your workout plan directly in the app, making it easy to follow along. Each exercise will include instructions and videos to guide you through proper form. As you complete your workouts, mark them as done to track your progress. Your trainer can provide feedback and adjust your plan based on your performance. Engage with your trainer regularly through the app for support and motivation. Utilize the messaging feature to ask questions or share updates on your progress. You can also sync wearables and other fitness apps to keep all your data in one place. Be sure to check the app for scheduled workouts and any upcoming challenges your trainer may set. As you continue, celebrate your progress and stay committed to reaching your fitness goals. With Trainerize, you'll have the tools and support to take your fitness journey to the next level. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.